Answer number 19. So find dy over dx and simplify the result. Y is equals to ln times ln of 4x. So we know that the derivative of ln u is equals to 1 over u du over dx. So u here is equals to ln 4x. So we have y prime is equals to 1 over, so u is equals to ln 4x. So 1 over u d over dx. So derivative of ln 4x is equals to 1 over u. So u here is just equals to 4. So u prime is equals to 4x. So we have 4x 1 over u. So du over dx. So derivative of 4x is just equals to 4. So we have y prime is equals to, so 4. So we'll cancel this one. So we'll cancel this 4. So the remaining will be 1 all over x ln of 4x. So this will be now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So 1 all over x ln of 4x. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.